Okay, chicken just fucking, yeah. Uh-oh.
Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say.
Fucking dog, that's all.
Now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true. My bad habits lead to you.
Can't stand that fucking cackle first. Like, do you need to fucking cackle? I put it like a order. I would by car, but no.
Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, just looking for a way out now. I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true. My bad habits lead to you.
It's Marcus and Corey, your favorite morning show, and if you're a Disney fanatic, this is your week.
We've got 4 packs of Disneyland tickets when we play our trivia game. What you know about that at 8:05.
Make sure you listen in tomorrow morning, Star 1013.
Telling myself I won't go there. Oh, but I know that I won't care. Trying to wash away all the blood I spilled. This loss is a burden that we both share. Two sinners can atone from a lone prayer. Souls tied
So, do they not fucking see there's a car coming? Always have to cross right in front of you. Damn, these people really need to fucking open their damn eyes. Like, open your fucking eyes. And why have eyes if you only fucking pay attention? Damn, you don't fucking pay attention when there's a car coming. You just cross right in front of the car. Man, these people are fucking stupid. So sick of this happening too. Damn, they don't care. Like,
dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. And you can see that I'm the one who understands you. Been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Can't you see that I'm the one who understands you? Been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Total Wine and More, the 8th wonder of the world. Come marvel at our new location on Harrison Street with a huge free parking lot. Let our helpful guides dazzle you with their knowledge and passion for over 8,000 wines, 2,500 beers, and 4,500 spirits, all under one roof. And with the lowest prices in San Francisco, we're also the 9th wonder of the world. managing your total wine and more, where you'll always find what you love and love what you find.
Drink responsibly, be 21.
Season 4 just launched. You up for a night of binging?
Yeah, I took Mucinex 12-hour DM. It's finally your tablet takes care of my cough and chest congestion for a full 12 hours.
Cool, let's do this.
Find Mucinex 12-hour DM now for 12-hour cough and chest congestion relief. Use as directed.
In Big Tobacco's Fantasyland, children are the future. Here, tobacco companies are committed to higher education, offering scholarships to students who submit essays about the benefits of vaping. The tobacco industry even sponsors summer camps for kids. Don't worry, the tobacco-sponsored programs have been linked to leaving your kids more interested in smoking. In Big Tobacco's Fantasyland, the world's deadliest industry is your child's friend.
See reality at undo.org.
Jake and Christine really needed help renovating their dream home. As a Pella advisor, I make sure every step of getting new windows and doors is smooth, including setting you up with our Pella Care Guarantee. It covers everything from product to installation, with some of the strongest warranties in the industry.
Pella's unheard of Black Friday sale. For 0% APR plus 10% off Pella projects, go to PellaNorCal.com. Certain restrictions apply. See store for details. Offer ends November 30th.
iPhone 15 Pro on Verizon and more Apple gifts for the fam.
This holiday, trade in any iPhone in any condition for a great deal on the new iPhone 15 Pro with titanium, Apple TV 4K, and Apple One with unlimited Ultimate. Additional terms and conditions apply. Act now. Visit Verizon.com.
However, you celebrate the holidays at Universal Studios Hollywood. You do you. You grab your friends and family, enjoy ice cold cocoa, and set your festive side free. Whether you're feeling married or join the fun at the coolest celebration in Tinseltown at Universal Studios Hollywood. You do you. Save $20 on a Coca-Cola 2-day general admission ticket. Offer ends 12/14/23. Restrictions apply. Details at universalstudioshollywood.com/Coca.
I wake up after one alarm ring, brush my teeth for 1 minute, and then one sugar in my coffee. So you can imagine my wonder when I heard McDonald's is giving a buy one get one for $1 deal. Right now, you can choose between hash browns, a sausage McMuffin, or a sausage burrito. You can even order ahead in the app. I've always been a one and done kind of gal, but now two feels like a tasty breakthrough. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Prices and participation may vary. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo meal. Valid for item of equal or lesser value.
The Talkback Mic is on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, Bay Area, it's Corey from Marcus and Corey. Did you know you can record and send a message to any of the hosts on Star? Open up the free iHeartRadio app, stream Star, and then look for the little red microphone next to the free button. Press it, record your message, and hit send.
I'm a teacher. I'm off for the summer. I love your station. Have a great day. Thank you.
The Talkback Mic. Try it today on the free iHeartRadio app. It's another way to keep you connected with the Bay's Star 1013.
I suck.